Wham, bam, Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
You know that feeling you get when you miss something by mere inches? It can be frustrating, right? Well, when driving, it's not always a bad thing. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at what happens when the margins play in your favor. Buckle up, this is gonna be a bumpy ride. J.E. was driving his Model S in Hesperia, California. After making a left turn southbound on a two-lane road, this white SUV merged into the opposing lane of traffic rather than getting behind him. J.E. wasn't sure if he didn't realize it was the opposite lane or if he merged here with the intention of overtaking him. As they proceeded down the road and toward a blind corner, a pickup truck was heading toward them northbound. The white SUV noticed the pickup truck ahead of him, and rather than slowing down and merging into the southbound lane behind J.E., he sped up. He merged in front of J.E., nearly hitting both the pickup truck and the Tesla. Chris was driving his Model Y with the new full self-driving Autopilot engaged in Soda Springs, California, as this line of cars was passing him. The last pickup, which was pulling a trailer, sped by and its rear right tire exploded, causing the fender to be knocked into Chris's lane. He took over from Autopilot to avoid the shrapnel. Gavin was driving his Model 3 in Lake Jackson, Texas, when a car sped through a red light, almost hitting the truck in front of him. Aaron was driving his Model 3 on a highway in the UK when this small truck started to drift into his lane. Aaron says he had no idea how severe the drifting would be until quite late. He couldn't move into the next lane as there was a car about to pass him there. Autopilot didn't throw any warnings or swerve to the right to avoid the truck. Aaron says he thinks it would have done that if there wasn't a car so close to his right. It's one of those things you want to test, but you don't want to have to test. In this next clip, Carlos says that the trick to driving in North Carolina is to remember that every fifth car is a Nascar driver wannabe. Todd was driving his Model S in Minneapolis, Minnesota when this unexpectedly happened in front of him. Take a look at the truck up ahead. All of a sudden, two ladders go flying. It's not the first time we've seen ladders go flying on this channel. Remember to secure your load, folks. Per was driving his Model 3 in Sweden on a dark night when he had this very close call with a moose. It happened so fast that Per says he's not sure if it was him or the car that reacted first. Per also added that it was so dark, he's impressed that the Teslacam even got it on film. However, the poor lighting does explain the low video quality. We've gotten some comments about the need for IR cameras on Teslas. Leave a comment and tell us what you think about that. Peter had just picked up his son and was heading home when a badger ran out in the middle of the road. He slammed the brakes, but it looked like the badger went under the front bumper. Putting the Tesla in reverse, he slowly backed up, afraid that he'd hit it. But it wasn't there. Later, he reviewed the Teslacam footage and saw that the animal made an incredible escape. The Teslacam sees all. Andrew Abel from Maryland engaged Autopilot after he'd cleared traffic in this intersection. Just moments after, this Mazda merged in from an on-ramp. It just hopped out in Andrew's lane, which immediately triggered the Tesla's emergency braking. Micah was driving his Model 3 in Newport News, Virginia, when this Chevrolet in front of him was driving erratically. Keeping his distance, Micah feared it was a drunk driver. They kept driving and everything seemed alright until they approached this exit. The Chevy lost control and almost hit the guardrail. It turned out that he was distracted with his cell phone and underestimated the turn. Are you a Tesla owner with a Teslacam or Sentry mode video you want to share with us? Please send the video together with a description of what happened via the link in the description below. Want to see more Teslacam videos? Join the Wham Bam community and become a patron. For the price of buying us a cup of coffee, in the sexy tier you'll give us warm fuzzy feelings while we edit Teslacam Stories. You'll also get early access to new episodes and bonus videos. For the price of buying us a beer, in the performance tier you'll help inspire a sense of humor for our videos. In addition to early access, you'll also get a chance to influence new episodes by voting for the best content. And for the crazy ones out there, for the price of buying us a drink in the ludicrous tier, you'll make us lose our minds with gratitude. In addition to all the other benefits, you'll also have your name immortalized in the credits of each new episode. Patrons of all tiers will also be granted special access to the Teslacam Hub on Discord. The Teslacam Hub is a space we've set up where you can watch videos that are sent in, share videos and stories of your own, discuss them with other patrons, talk about your Teslas, ask questions, and just hang out. With your help, we can make more content and more episodes every week. Join the action.
Oh Lord, won't you buy me a Cybertruck? My friends all drive diesel, I must make amends.